so excited that you're getting the opportunity to learn about your 4 boundaries in this lesson. Physical, psychological, spiritual, and sexual boundaries are so important to your well-being, now and for the rest of your life. Let's just zero in on mental boundaries for a minute. Sometimes we can get confused about boundaries. We can think because I'm saying no, or because I'm setting a limit, or because I'm saying this isn't okay for me, that means that I'm saying to the other person, you don't matter to me, or I don't care about you. It's actually the exact opposite. Think about it. If somebody really matters to me, then I should want to know if something is not okay for them. And I should be able to respect that. And the reverse is also true. If I really matter to someone, then I need to know that they're able to understand if something is not okay for me. When people first learn about the concept of boundaries, they can be very relieved because this gives them permission to be a separate person and to say, that's not okay for me, or I don't like that, or just because you feel that way doesn't mean that I do. But then, of course, what we also learn when talking about boundaries is that sometimes we can be crossing someone else's boundaries and not even realize it. Here's one last point to think about. We can also cross our own boundaries. On page 50, there's a list of ways in which we can cross our own boundaries. If we're going to be respectful of other people, we have to at least be as equally respectful of ourselves. One example of this is when we ruminate, and we all do. Sometimes we can get preoccupied with a thought or a mistake, something we did in the past, something that happened yesterday. Going round and round in circles is a way in which we cross our own boundary. This depletes us. It brings on negative feelings and unrealistic thinking. We all work really hard at taking care of the people that matter to us. And likewise, we have to work equally hard at taking care of ourselves. With the tools that we're giving you, you're going to be able to do this better. You need to be using your mind to build yourself up. Just imagine what your life would be like if in your mind you were your own best friend, supportive, caring, encouraging, and celebrating what you're great at.
Good.